Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. This one you got about 3x plus 1. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, you got about 2u du. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have number 3. First derivative of number 1, this is about the constant, so you got about 0, and we have dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to change the bounds when s equals to number 5. So I need to put number 5 gone here, and then we can find the value of u. 5 with number 3, you got about 15. 15 plus 1, you got about 16. So the square root of number 16 in here, you got about number 4. When s equals to number 8, so I will put number 8 gone here to find the value of u. 8 with number 3, you got about 24. 24 with number 1, you got about 25. The square root of number 25, you got about number 5. Number 5 we change by number 4. Number 8 we change by number 5. The square root we change by u. The s we change by this one. So I will put about number 2 and number 3 go outside. U and u, we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And later that we put the bounds from number 4 to number 5. And then we got the final answer. So I will put number 5 gone here, number 4 gone here. We calculate about this one. And we got 122 over number 9. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.